Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials, Wi-Fi on and at least 20% battery, because updates can be large and may pause. Now open the App Store or Play Store, navigate to the Updates or My Apps area. Once there, scan the list for apps with pending updates. Tap the first app's update button to initiate. If you see Update All, hold off until you've reviewed sizes. Make sure background data is allowed so downloads continue when the app closes. Once you've started, decide whether to update one app or many. If an update looks large, read the changelog to understand why security fixes often matter most. Tap Update on individual apps to stagger installations, which helps spot problematic updates quickly. To reduce manual work later, toggle Auto Update for apps you trust, and specify Wi-Fi only if you want to save cellular data. Make sure automatic installs won't occur while you need uninterrupted use. After updates finish, open each updated app and verify it runs. Check the app details to confirm the new version number. If something fails, free up storage by deleting unused files or apps, then reboot your phone and retry the update. That often resolves transient errors. If problems persist, clear the app cache or remove and reinstall the app, and keep the error code handy when contacting support. Remember, a quick restart can fix many issues, so try that before advanced steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.